Have you ever wondered about the relevance of Java applets in modern internet programming? In the early days of the internet, Java applets were all the rage. These small applications written in Java and designed to be executed within a web browser were seen as the future. They held the promise of enhancing web pages with Java's features, providing functionalities that standard HTML and JavaScript just couldn't match. Java applets were versatile. They were platform independent, meaning they could run on any system with a compatible Java Virtual Machine or JVM. This made them a popular choice for developers who wanted their work to reach as wide an audience as possible. Java applets were also interactive. They could engage with the user, carry out complex computations, and even play simple games. As a result, they were perfect for creating visualizations and interactive components, making the web a much more engaging place. But perhaps one of the most significant features of Java applets was their secure environment. They ran in a sandboxed environment, which limited their access to system resources. This was a key security feature, designed to keep users safe while they interacted with applets. But how did Java applets work, you may ask? Well, they were created as Java classes that extend the Java applet class. These were then embedded in HTML pages using the OR tags. The browser's JVM would then download, verify, and run the applet, displaying its output within the browser. It was like magic, a small piece of Java code coming to life right there on the web page. Despite their initial popularity, however, Java applets began to fall out of favor. Security concerns, browser compatibility issues, and the evolution of web technologies all played a part in their decline. But that's a story for another day. For now, let's just appreciate the dawn of Java applets. They brought new possibilities into the world of internet programming, opening up a whole new world of interactive web applications. And while they may not be as prevalent today, their legacy continues to influence the way we experience the web. The dawn of Java applets brought new possibilities into the world of internet programming. How did these Java applets actually work, you might be wondering? Well, the process was quite simple, yet ingenious. Java applets were created as Java classes, which meant they were written in the Java programming language. Specifically, they extended the Java applet class or Javax swing, Japlet for swing-based applets. Once written, the applet was ready to be embedded into HTML pages. This was achieved using the OR tags. These tags essentially served as a placeholder for the applet within the web page and directed the browser to the location of the applet's bytecode. The bytecode, a format that's easier for machines to understand, was downloaded by the browser's Java Virtual Machine or JVM. The JVM was the real hero of this story. It downloaded the applet's bytecode, verified it for any security issues, and then ran the applet. This whole process was done in a sandboxed environment, a closed-off area in memory, to ensure the security of the user's system. The output of the applet was then displayed within the browser, providing users with an interactive experience that was, at the time, revolutionary. Let's consider a basic example of a Java applet. The applet would have a paint method, which could be overridden to draw text or images on the applet's canvas when it was displayed. This allowed for dynamic, interactive content that could change based on user input or other factors. In essence, Java applets were like mini-programs that lived inside your web browser. They could perform tasks that were typically beyond the capabilities of HTML and JavaScript. From animations and games to complex scientific simulations, Java applets brought a new level of interactivity to the web. In retrospect, despite their eventual fall from grace, Java applets were a significant stepping stone in the evolution of web technology. They demonstrated the potential of embedding applications within web pages, a concept we now take for granted with the prevalence of JavaScript and other client-side technologies. Java applets, once embedded, could perform tasks that were typically beyond the capabilities of HTML and JavaScript. However, the popularity of Java applets didn't last forever. As we journey through the history of Java applets, we find that several factors contributed to their decline. This was not a sudden collapse, but rather a gradual fading away as more efficient, secure, and user-friendly technologies emerged. Firstly, security concerns began to overshadow the benefits of Java applets. Given their ability to run programmatic content within a user's browser, Java applets became an appealing target for malicious actors. The sandbox environment, initially designed for protection, was frequently breached, leading to vulnerabilities that could compromise user systems. Secondly, browser compatibility issues began to surface. Major browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge started phasing out support for Java applets. The necessary plugins to run the Java virtual machine were either removed or disabled, marking a significant blow to the use of Java applets. The third nail in the coffin was the evolution of web technologies. With the advancement of client-side technologies like JavaScript, HTML5, CSS3, and WebAssembly, the need for Java applets began to diminish. These technologies offered safer, more flexible, and efficient alternatives for creating interactive web applications. Lastly, the complex deployment of Java applets created additional barriers. Users had to install a JVM or specific browser plugins to run applets. This added friction was unattractive, especially when compared to the seamless experience offered by emerging technologies. These factors combined led to the gradual fall of Java applets in Internet programming. It's a testament to the ever-evolving nature of technology, where innovation continually pushes us forward, sometimes leaving behind the tools and technologies that once seemed indispensable. However, it's essential to remember that each technology, including Java applets, plays a crucial role in this ongoing evolution, paving the way for the next generation of innovations. These factors combined led to the gradual fall of Java applets in Internet programming. With the decline of Java applets, what are the alternatives in modern Internet programming? This is a question that has been asked by many, and the answer is quite exciting. As technology evolves, so do the tools and techniques we use to build interactive and secure web applications. In the wake of Java applets, a few key technologies have risen to prominence, each offering its own set of advantages and capabilities. Firstly, we have JavaScript. This is the primary language for client-side scripting, providing interactivity and seamless browser integration. No longer the simple scripting language it once was, JavaScript has matured into a full-fledged programming language that powers complex web applications, with frameworks like Angular, React, and Vue.js facilitating rapid development. Next up is HTML5. This isn't just a markup language anymore. HTML5 introduced a range of APIs for creating rich, interactive web applications. Features like Canvas for graphical content, video and audio elements for multimedia, and local storage for offline capabilities have helped in making HTML5 a robust alternative to Java applets. Then we have CSS3. While CSS has always been about styling, CSS3 brought along features that were once only possible with JavaScript or even Java applets. Animations, transitions, gradients, and 2D/3D transformations are now achievable with pure CSS, enhancing the look and feel of web applications. Last but not least, we have WebAssembly, often abbreviated as WASM. This is a binary instruction format that allows code to run at near-native speed, making it ideal for performance-intensive tasks. WebAssembly can work alongside JavaScript, opening up the web to languages like C, C++, and Rust, and making the web a more versatile platform. These technologies have proven to be safer, more flexible, and easier to deploy, making them the preferred choice for modern Internet programmers. Each of these alternatives brings something unique to the table, empowering developers to create richer, more interactive, and secure web applications. They have truly redefined what's possible on the web, and are continually evolving to meet the demands of modern Internet programming. Let's take a moment to review what we've learned about the rise and fall of Java applets. Java applets were small applications written in Java that were designed to be executed within a web browser. They were embedded into HTML pages and run within a Java virtual machine or JVM provided by the browser. This allowed them to interact with the user and perform tasks that were typically beyond the capabilities of HTML and JavaScript. These applets were platform independent, capable of running on any system with a compatible JVM. They brought interactivity to web pages, making them suitable for simple games, visualizations, and interactive components. And they were designed to run in a sandboxed environment, restricting their access to system resources for security reasons. However, over time, Java applets fell out of favor. Security concerns became a significant issue as Java applets became a common target for exploits, leading to vulnerabilities that could compromise user systems. Browser compatibility was another challenge, with major browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge phasing out support for Java applets. The evolution of web technologies also played a part in the decline of Java applets. The development of more robust client-side technologies like JavaScript, HTML5, CSS3, and WebAssembly offered safer and more flexible alternatives for creating interactive and secure web applications. These modern technologies didn't require users to install a JVM or browser plugins, which removed the additional barriers to entry and user friction that came with Java applets. So, while Java applets have become a thing of the past, they played a crucial role in the evolution of web-based applications. They introduced the concept of interactivity and platform independence to web programming, paving the way for the advanced, user-friendly web technologies we use today. Though Java applets have become obsolete, they have paved the way for the advanced, user-friendly web technologies we use today.